Now we're back to learning Inkscape. Let me show you a split color effect for text, but this time it includes a stroke. Somebody had that question in the comment section. I create a text. Let me just give that a reddish fill and a black stroke. So hold Shift and click on a black color swatch to give it a stroke. Then I press Ctrl D to copy it. By the way, this effect works on any font, any text style, but I've aligned it to center. I have used Bahnschrift and a bold style. Let's get back to this first element. Now I create a rectangle on top. I get rid of the stroke. So hold Shift and I click on this X here. Once we've got that, we want to bring it to the bottom, below our text. Then I use the pen tool and I create a triangle, something like that. And this also works on every shape. These are just the shapes that I'm using for this effect. As an example, you bring it behind the text as well. Let me also add a circle on the ellipse. Has to be below the text once more. Then hold Shift and make sure you select these three elements. If you use more shapes, more colors, then obviously select more. So drag them out. You can see this what I've got selected. I press Ctrl Z to bring them back behind my text. Now right click on them and group them. Once that is done, I select it all, except for my copy, right click, set clip. So this is a split color effect, but you can also see the stroke has vanished now. So the stroke that was given to the text is now gone. We can easily bring that back with our copy. I reposition that on top, and then I click on the X without holding Shift. This gets rid of the fill. I have to bring it below the other text. Still not perfectly in center, but you can see where this goes. I have to select it all now. And then I go to Object, Align and Distribute. Got it set to Page. And I use the center option for vertical and horizontal right here. And now there you go. You've got your stroke back and you have the split color effect applied. I hope this answers your question. Let me know in the comments below if it doesn't. And in general, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.